Hey everybody, it's Julie from A Beautiful Horizon, and today I thought I would share some cleaning motivation with you. So on this particular day, we had been out all day, and it was about 9:45, I believe, at night, and I had decided to put the kids to bed and just, get them taken care of, and then come out and clean at my own pace. And a lot of the time we have a evening routine that we follow and it goes according to plan, and some days you just have a crazy day where you're at the store and you're at activities and you're doing all these things. And so I just wanted to encourage you today, if you have had days like that lately, to just give yourself grace, put the kids to bed, put on some music, make yourself a cup of tea or whatever, and just find pride in your home. And maybe tonight isn't that night. Maybe tonight is just a relaxed night. And I have those too. There are nights where I don't even worry about it. I just go to bed. And then there are other nights that I decide that I'm going to take maybe an hour or even a half an hour and just get some stuff done. And when I do that, I just feel so much peace in the morning when I wake up and I come out and it's clean. So I aim to have it clean every night, and I aim to, go with my evening routine where the kids help me clean and they get all their stuff in their rooms before bed. But sometimes mama's just gotta, do it and it needs to be done to get it done. And other nights I just need a break. So I hope that wherever you're at, you can just, figure out what you need tonight and go with that and get back in your routine when you're able. But I just thought it'd be fun to show you what I'm doing this particular night, in a night where I wanted to get it done, and I'm glad I did. And if you're thinking, Julie, your voice sounds a little weird. Yes, it's true. I am just getting off of a cold. I'm believing that I'm like on the tail end of this thing. It's been pretty exhausting, but I think I'm getting close to the end. I've been taking some vitamin C and zinc and all kinds of stuff to hopefully get it done quicker. But yeah, it is what it is. So I thought I would share with you guys my sort of routine for cleaning up the living area. What I do just about every night when I clean up is I generally try to get things off of the floor first. So I'll flip the chairs over, as you saw, and I'll pick up anything that's on the floor, and then I'll get my vacuum going. I have a robot vacuum that is my BFF. It's actually being repaired right now, which is kind of a bummer, but but I love that thing. And so that's usually what I do first, is clean up the floor, get everything off of the floor, and then I'll get everything off of the surfaces of the living area, or on the counters or whatever. If it's not a dish that needs to be washed, I generally put that stuff away first, and then I'll move on to the dishes. So we'll do the floors, and then surface things that aren't dishes, and then do the dishes. And then, as I'll show you in a minute, I move on to the laundry room and I catch up. I have a video that talks about my laundry routine, and basically I just try to get something started in the morning, switched over in the afternoon, and then folded and put away in the evening. And sometimes if I'm doing multiple loads, I'll be putting my wash into the dryer. So I have a question for you. Do you pull all of your laundry out in a basket and fold it in your living area or on your bed or something? Or do you do it like I do it, where you just pull it right out and fold it and place everything on top of your dryer? I've been doing laundry this way for the 12 and a half years that I've been married. My mom used to pull it all out, lay it flat, and then she'd bring it into the living room, and we would watch a TV show in the afternoon, and we would fold close together, and she would tell us if we stopped folding, she'd turn off the TV. So good childhood memories. Maybe I'll do that when my kids are, better at folding, but for now I just do it on top of the dryer.
The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? Till we fall asleep. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? Till we fall asleep. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? We do it.
So that's it, and I was so happy when I woke up the next morning. But like I said, it doesn't always happen. Some nights I'm just done by the time I get the kids in bed. And so I try to get it done before they go to bed. And some nights it just doesn't happen. So whatever kind of day you had, I hope you have a good night's sleep tonight and that you're able to tackle the day tomorrow. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, I would love for you to subscribe, like the video. You can check out these other videos here, which are a playlist of my cleaning videos and also a video that YouTube thinks you might like. And I will see you next time. Bye!